Hello scholars, welcome back to the Kemet Maasai Academy. What we're going to be looking at today is army time or military time. What is army time? Well, army time is used by the army, the military, and the difference between army time and regular time is that in regular time it's the same 24 hours in a day, however we split it into two 12-hour periods of AM and PM. So from midnight ends, so the first second after midnight actually is AM up until 11:59, and then we have noon or midday. After that is PM all the way up to 11:59 in the night. Alright, but in army time they don't use AM or PM. They just continue counting straight up to 24 hours. So from 00 hours, which is when the new day begins, immediately after midnight, 0000, because army time is written in 4 digits. So even in the single digit hours, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, we have to put a 0 in front to hold that place because we must have 4 digits. They don't use AM or PM, so we write hours after the 4 digits. When they get to 12 midday, they don't stop and start over again at 1. They just continue 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way down to 23, 59, and then midnight, and the day starts over again. Alright, so army time or military time, they avoid the use of AM or PM. For some persons, they find it confusing, especially considering that armies operate all over the world at any given time. And remember, the earth is divided into different time zones. So it might be a different time in different countries, AM and PM. Some persons might have that confused. So to avoid all of that, the army has a system of just using 100 hours. Any number of 100 hours, that's how we read it. So for example, 1800 hours, 2400 hours, that's how it is read. Alright, so let's look at some typical times in 24-hour clock or army time. 0000, that's when the new day begins, that's immediately after midnight. You're still asleep, still dreaming, but it's still considered morning. Even though the sun has not come up as yet, technically it's a new day. 0900 hours, that's 9 AM. So once you see the single digits, that tells you we're still in what we would call in normal time AM. Once it passes, well, when it gets to 10, 11, still AM up until 11:59. Then we don't stop counting at 12 and start with 1, 2, 3, 4 PM. We just continue after 12, 1300 hours, 1400 hours. So 1800 hours, once you get past the 12, a good method to use to translate into regular time, just subtract 12 from the hours. The 2 first digits are the hours, the 2 last one are the minutes. Just take 12 from the hours and you will see how many hours have gone since what we would call 12 midday. So 1800 hours, 18 take away 12, that's 6, so that's 6 PM. 2400 hours, of course, would be midnight, a full 24-hour cycle. Alright, so we're going to change these army times to regular times. Remember, they're all written with 4 digits, so even the single digit ones will have a 0 in front. That indicates to us immediately that we're dealing with AM hours, even though the 10 and the 11 are still AM. So let's go then. So 0043, the 00 tell us it's still just after midnight, but it's another day. It's another day, so that's 12:43 AM. That's in the wee hours of morning. wee hours of morning. Everybody's still asleep except the night owls like myself, who might be up watching math videos. 21, 30. Now, 21, remember we said we're to take 12 from the first two digits. So 21, take away 12. That would be 9. So this is 9:30 p.m. Once it passes 12, it's p.m. in our regular time. 105 hours. 105 hours. So this would be 1:05 a.m. in the morning. Still dark, but it's still morning, as some of the children in my class will say night morning. Some children call it night morning. Or 11:11, so that's still 11:11 a.m. 0005. So just 5. These are the minutes. The last two digits tell you the minutes. The 00 tells you it's just past midnight. So that's 12:05 a.m. 9:21 a.m. 4:16 a.m. 8:32 a.m. So the 0 at the front is a good indication to you you're still in the a.m. 10:14, 10 less than 12, still in the a.m. So that's 10:14 a.m. Midnight, just past midnight, so that's 12:37 a.m. Now we're past the 12, past 12 noon, still counting. That this tells us we're now into p.m. in regular time. So that's 12:52 p.m. 23:18, so we're going to take 12 from the 23. That gives 11. So this is 11:18 p.m. It's almost midnight. It's after 11 in the wee hours of night. Almost 24. 20:32. So 20 take away 12, that would leave 8. So that's 8:32 p.m. 17:19. 17 take away 12, that will leave 5. So that's 5:19 p.m. 1500 hours. So 15 take away 12, that's 3. This is 3 p.m. Alright, so let's now change from regular time to army time. Now I have the same times here. 9:20 a.m., 9:20 p.m., 2:45, 41 a.m., 2:41 p.m., and so on. So you can see the difference. So 9:20 a.m., all the a.m.s with the single digits, we're going to put a 0 in front of them. And we're going to put hours. So single digits, a.m., still less than 12, but it's a double digit, so we just write this back. 1130 hours. Now these are PM, so we're going to be adding 12 to the hours. Add 12 to the hours, so 920, 9 plus 12 is 21, so that's 2120 hours. 2120 hours. Adding 12 to the 2, that's 1441 hours. 12 plus 3, 15. 12 plus 4, 16. And 12 plus 11, that's 2330 hours. Okay. 2330. So look at the difference. So 9:20 a.m. is 0920 hours, 9:20 p.m., 21:20. 2:41 a.m., 0241, 2:41 p.m., 14:41. So it's a big difference, right? Because in army time, they don't stop at 12 and start over. They just continue counting 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way down. So for the hours, we just keep adding 12. Once it gets to 12, past 12, we start adding 12 to it, right? 13, 14, and so on. Alright, so that's it for army time and converting army time to regular time and vice versa. So if you have been helped by this video, just drop a line, drop a comment to say thank you, and share the video so others may benefit from this video. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now so you can benefit from more videos. And let me know in the comments if you want me to do a video on any particular topic. So I'll see you in the next video.